fly away on a paper plane to the world of art and craft. Learn how to create magic with colors. Use your crayon as a magic wand to create wonders.
Now, why don't we start with the quiz?
Let's see what's the first question. Which are the rainbow colors? Alright, you have some time. And why don't you try answering it in the live comment section? Yes, you can comment it right here. Are you done? Well, that's great. The answer to this is Whip-Cure. Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. It's right in front of us. Now, let's see which is the next question. Which colors will you mix to make pink color? Can you guess? Well, I want you to think and write it in the comment section right away. Yes, in the live comment section. Well, you are absolutely right. You have to mix red and white to make pink color. Why don't you comment your email IDs on our latest video to get the membership card? And well, if you have not subscribed to the channel, then please hit the subscribe button. And why don't you comment, we love Puffy Pups as well? That's great. And now we have an exciting activity arranged for you. So get ready with your materials. Are you ready with all of them? Well, then let's start our activity. Why don't we create a beautiful dancing puppet today? Well, yes! Paper planes! Hi friend, I am Puffy Pups and this is my car, Bubbles. Welcome to my channel. We are going to start making this beautiful tiger puppet today. Alright Bubbles, let's go! Like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon. For this, we will require our paper. And now, why don't we cut it? So, let's cut it together. We will make sure that we cut a thick box first and after that, we cut the thin box. Now that we are done cutting this, why don't we start folding it? At first, we will fold it into half and then fold it once again. Once we are done with this, why don't we join both the ends together with a sellotape? Now, let's do the same thing for the other strip as well. Once we are done with this, we will fold it 2 times and then have both the edges fixed with our sellotape. Once we are done with this, we will stick all the 4 small boxes on the big box. Yes, we are going to stick it just like this. Can you see this? Lovely! Now that we are done sticking this, we are going to make cutouts of a tiger. We are going to have a face and 2 hands and 2 legs. Which are going to look something like this. Can you see how this puppet is moving? Yes, you have to keep your fingers right here and then move it like this. Doesn't it look great? Lovely! Now it's time for us to stick the head, hands and legs on this skeleton. So, why don't we try doing it together? Let's stick this properly so that our fingers can hold it tight. Why don't you try it out with me? That's great! Now it's time for us to put the hands. Let's put the hands like this. You can put the legs as well. Now it's time for us to use it. Well, this looks so pretty, isn't it? And yes, my tiger is dancing. Is your tiger dancing? That's lovely. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. Like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon. We will see the entire step once again. We folded the papers and cut it. After that, we stuck it and made it into boxes. After that, we had our tiger cut out and then we stuck it on the boxes. Wasn't this so much fun?
Stay tuned for our next video.
Paper planes! Great! We hope you enjoyed the video and yes, we would love to see what you've made. Why don't you share your artwork over a mail and get a chance to win a free printable art and craft worksheet? Yes, here is the email ID. And don't go anywhere as we have few more quiz questions for you. How are secondary colors made and which are they? Can you guess? Well, if you've seen our video of the color wheel, it is going to be easier for you to answer. Yes, you're absolutely right. The secondary colors are orange, violet and green. Do you know how are they made? Orange is made by mixing red and yellow. Green is made by mixing yellow and blue. And violet is made by mixing red and blue. That's right. Now, let's move on to the next one. Why don't you give 3 examples of warm colors? Yes, you need to put it in the live comment section right here. Why don't you write it? That's great. 3 examples of warm colors are the sun, red chilies, and a mango which is yellow. And finally, get any 2 of your friends to subscribe to our YouTube channel and get 10 free printable worksheets and stickers. And yes, the membership card as well. Share a screenshot of the subscribe button over an email and we will announce the winners. The email ID is right here. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you!